Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lifestyle with Chang, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of our unit for RVshare and Outdoorsy. And so I'm going to explain why we chose this unit, what features it has, and everything along those lines, so you could get a better feel of what this unit has to offer. And then the one that we chose is the KZ Sportsman BH, which stands for Bunkhouse SE. And the best portion about this thing is the fact that it can sleep up to 10 people. I'm going to do an outside a tour first, and then we're going to go inside and just show you all the benefits of this specific model. And so I own 5 acres here in California, and so we live pretty far away from civilization, so it's still considered rural. I know a lot of you guys don't believe that, but there is such thing called as rural California. But let me go over the exterior of the unit first so you guys can understand and see it. And so like I said, it's a brand new 2021 Sportsman SE. There's where all the tanks are. It has the hitch. Also, I opted for the sway bar hitch. This is the battery. I'm going to turn it on because we're going to turn on that slide. And so what's nice is it has this pass-through portion, and what it goes through is goes through all the way. This is the master bedroom up here with the queen size bed, and it goes all through. This has all the items that you need in order to clean the septic and the gray water and black water and whatnot, and also all the power hookups that you would need for it. This is the city connection water, to where you can just take a hose with a regulator and make sure it doesn't destroy everything. And then also this is where if you are boondocking or don't have access to city water, this is where you can fill it up as well. Of course, the jacks, this is where the slide comes out on there. It's on tandem axles. What the best portion about this one is the fact that it's 6,100 pounds. What that means is because it's 6,100 pounds, it can actually be towed by most half-ton pickups. And because of that, that makes it a lot more available in order to do everything that you want to do. And then this is where the gray water and black water comes from. What we're going to do is on another video, I'll show exactly how to empty these so you don't get charged that extra fee. But looking at here, like I said, it's just a beautiful, beautiful unit. And then this is where our inverted generator is, a spare tire. Like I said in another video, we're going to go over the details and how to run it. This is just a tour so you know what either you're renting or what you want to look for when you want to rent out to on RVshare and whatnot. So another special feature about this unit is the fact that it has this outdoor kitchen, which is really nice. It's just a griddle, oh boy, and it has outside small little beer fridge and whatnot, and then a little storage as you're cooking and whatnot. And as I pull this out, you can see you just lift this up, and then you start grilling, and then back there is where the hookup is for the grill. I'm going to take this, close it back up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'll come back and clean that up. And then what you do is when you pull that out, what you're going to have is underneath here you have the gas hookups right here. And so now, like I said, it's a really good unit. It has the awning and also has exterior lighting. And also you see those right there? Those are the Bluetooth speakers that you can hook up with your phone. And so now let's come in and check it out. Pull this out. There you go. And here you go, as you walk in, here's the unit. I'm going to show you guys the electrical panel first. I'm going to take the slide and slide it out, then turn on the lights. It's a very proprietary, basic standard board that they have here. So as I take this out, while the slide's going out, I want to explain some of these. So this is the awning. I'm going to pull that out in just a second. These are electric heater, whether you want gas or you want electric. And here is the lights for the entire place. Now, this blue one is the exterior lights. Right now it's not that dark out, but it's LEDs, but it's very extreme bright. And this is the water pump. So it's pretty nice to be able to run everything. Now, look at this unit here. I know the lighting's not the best right now, but looking at here, this the reason why I chose this specific unit is the fact that it has that wow factor with such an affordable price. Now look at this portion right here. This is super easy. You take it, you pull it up, boom, now it becomes a bed. Or you can sit along with it and whatnot. And then here we played Settlers of Catan. If you guys ever played that game, it is an amazing game. I'll have the link in the description to Amazon underneath there, so you can take a look at it. But looking at here, this does come down and become a bed for two as well. And so looking back here, so these lights are extremely fun to play with, and unfortunately, because they're so fun, the kids like to continue to play and click on and whatever, and there's just a small spring and it has a likely chance of a breaking. Now this has the 4 bunks. We normally don't provide linens, but this has just a very basic linen, so we do recommend that if you do rent out this unit, you do bring your own linens. And so again, this is more storage for the top portion and also the bottom portion. Coming over here, let's go to the tour of the kitchen first. We labeled everything: pots and pans, silverware, utensils, dishes, towels, more dishes and whatnot. And this is an amazing, amazing microwave. I mean, it's just a regular microwave. However, it runs completely, it doesn't take a long time to cook. This is the Furrion oven and stove. It has 3 stoves on top and then also the oven underneath here. I doubt this has even been used yet. We took it out one time, but then again, it's so fun to use the outside grill that we don't really use the one inside. However, you could still use it if you would like. And this is all the items that you would need and whatnot. The refrigerator, most units out there, what they tell you is that it takes about 5 to 8 hours to cool down. Fortunately, this is a new unit, and because it's a new unit, it takes about 2 hours to cool down. So if you want to go out camping or whatever and immediately throw your stuff in there, it's completely fine because it works wonders. And then, yeah, how you turn it on is you just press on the button for 3 seconds and it starts up, and then you can turn up for cooler and then down for less cool. And so, and the unit here, so this is really neat. Okay, most models don't have this, but because we live in California, we live in Northern California, which makes it even worse because we get the extremes of the hot desert during the daytime and during the summertime, and then we get the extreme cold. We are under the snow line where we're living at now. And so what's cool about this is the fact that you can have your heater on for the winter time, and as we know in physics, heat rises, so all the heating vents is underneath. Now, because we know that cool goes down, our air conditioner is on top of here and all our vents are on top for the air conditioner. I thought that is pretty cool and pretty amazing. Now keep in mind, just because we have an air conditioner, if it's 110 degrees outside, it's not going to make it 72 degrees inside of here. It's going to be a swing for about 20 degrees. So if it's 110 degrees, it's going to be closer to about 90 degrees, 85 if you're lucky. Make sure you close down all the windows blinds so you can have it properly. But this is another cool thing. Oh, the TV, before I mentioned that. We mounted it at one point, but it just kept on swaying and the risk of it falling was too much. So what we did was we put it underneath here. And so if you ever need the TV, just take it and pull it out there and you plug it in, and this does have the smart view capability to where you can stream and cast from your phone on here. This Furrion speaker does both. It does interior and exterior. You take it and you hook it up to your phone, and then you can do zone 1, which is interior, or you can do zone 2, and what that does is it goes outside, so if you're out there camping or with a fire or whatnot, you can enjoy the entire time. Now, this is where it gets a little fun. Let's go into the bedroom. He's like, what is this? This is a mattress topper. My wife and I, we didn't take this out one time before we rented out to the first people who got it. And then when we did take it out the following weekend, you know what we found out? This bed was extremely, extremely, extremely uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. So we went out and bought a regular mattress topper. It's not like sleeping on a memory foam, but however, it does take the pain off your back a little bit. Extra storage here to put your stuff. There's some hangers that you can bring. Like I said, make sure you bring your linens. Just because we have some sheets on the twin bed and the bunks back there does not mean that it is best to use. I do take those out and clean them and wash them. However, we do want you to bring your own. Like I said, this is a pretty amazing unit. This has another ability to put up another TV, but I figured that if you're gonna go camping, why watch TV? Unless it's raining or whatnot, you're supposed to be spending time with your family. Bring your games, bring your board games, bring Monopoly, and this is our unit. Build memories with this. Build memories with going camping. If you're gonna go spend a bunch of money, let me flip this back around. If you're gonna go and spend a bunch of money on Disneyland or Disney World or going on some type of adventure, hey, guess what? You have to pay for lodging and you have to pay for the experience. Here with camping, you get both. You get the lodging and you get the camping. The reason why we chose this unit, again, like I said, it sleeps 10. And normally, you know, sometimes it gets quite pricey, especially for larger families. Or rather than doing that, you can have your friends or family come along to where you can have your family with, you know, 2 or 3 kids, and then their family 2 or 3 kids, and you guys can all fit in here comfortably. Like I said, you're not supposed to be in here the entire time, but it does help. Now I'm going to give you the last tour of the bathroom before we go on to the outside and show you the awning. And so, without further ado. So some of our cleaning supplies, our toilet paper and whatnot, so everything runs in here properly. And believe it or not, this is a massive, massive shower. Let me turn this on. This is a massive shower, and it has 6 gallons of water that you can use, so you get a maximum of 8 minutes to shower. So that doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, for mobile homes and travel trailers, that is a huge deal. And so I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to go turn off the lights real quickly, and while I do that, just keep in mind that, you know, if you want to rent out this unit, it is an amazing unit to build memories and your family into. It has all of the wow factor that you would want, and it has all the necessities, and even above those necessities of the things that you want. Now what I'm going to do is press out the awning. I'm going to go and retract, and as we take that out, there it is. As we go and take that out, oh, let me fix that focus. There we go. And it goes out all the way. And so make sure that this is only running or out when it is not raining or there's not a windstorm or whatnot. So anyways, you get the gist of it. I'll put it back in, and then also the lights. Take it here, make sure the focus goes back on focus, and then the lights on the outside. It is amazing and a great sight to see when it is at nighttime. So let me know what you think, guys. Like and subscribe to this channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming in, but for the most part, I just want you guys to know what this unit has to do. Like I said, these are those exterior speakers that you can listen to your music on. And so turn that off, and then all right, tell me what you guys think. I know it's a lot to really sink in, and it doesn't do it justice. You have to see it in person. And one thing I want you guys to realize is the fact that not only that you get to build memories, it's pretty affordable for our unit here. Everybody else charges about $150 to, a night or so. We charge $119, and then if you want to do all the cleaning work yourself, you can save a lot of the money on that portion as well. Like I said, the reason why I chose this unit is because it's not just one family you can have in here. You can have up to 2 families, and then it's light, half-ton towable, and then it has all the necessary features that you would want in this unit. And so thanks, guys. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I would greatly appreciate. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you can. Thank you, and have a great day.